nizere ko mumeze neza. Welcome back again kuri Patience TV show. Guess what? Uyu munsi twagiye gukora umusatsi. Nkuko nababwiye ko tuzakora umusatsi. Duciye ahantu tugomba kubanza guhagarara kugira ngo dufate icyo kunywa no kurya mbere na mbere. Muze kwinjira rero mbere kuko nicyo kurya hano ari danje. Icyo kurya tuba tubyigana ku kijyanye no gukubita mu gifu, tuba tubyigana. Come with us, tujye gushaka icyo kurya. Murebe hano ikintu cyitwa icyo kurya, ukuntu ibintu biba byifashe. Kamanze mbereka, dore hari imbere handitse Burger King. Basomere parayi. You say Papas. Komeza. Komeza iriya yanyuma yitwa iki? Alright, reba bari abantu bose bakeneye iki cyo kurya. Aba bantu bose mubona barimo barasohokamo hano bakeneye icyo kurya. So rero aba bose murabona ko kurya bwa mbere, kurya mbere na mbere, ibindi bikaza nyuma. Ibindi byose bizaza. Let's go. Hano rero nuko biba bimeze bite byifashe. Ugiye ukareba abantu bose ukuntu baba bagenda basohoka. Reka tugere. Yes Arvin. Burger? Yes. Burger? Yours. Sida abantu bakeneye icyo kurya hano ni benshi, turi benshi. Icyo kurya mbere na mbere. Icyo kurya mbere na mbere. Everybody here bakeneye icyo gushyira mu nda. Abonye hani Dunkin, ahariya ni Burger King. Ujya ushaka bitewe n'icyo ushaka. Yeah. Alright guys. Aha rero twaje kuza kuba twicaye kubera umuhungu wanjye yabaga arimo arirukanka everywhere. Nuko nabwira abantu bose baba baje gushaka icyo kurya ahangaha. Ni benshi. Everybody stop Ryan, stop. Stand here, don't go. Abantu ni benshi baba baje gushaka icyo kurya. Kandi haba ibintu byinshi bigiye bitandukanye. Arvin, do not go far, okay? Ntabwo biba byoroshye gukora ibintu uri kumwe n'umwana kubera abarimo arandistabinga. Ngayo nguko hari Burger King, hari Pokers, hari Dunkin bagira uduchips turyoshye. Uyu muhungu wanjye yagurutse. Reka nshaka uburyo manza kumuhagarika. We're going. That's no until June, okay? You're gonna respect yourself. Uyu nguyu no kubona abantu kwiba no kugenda abantu bose abahamagara. So ndansaba ko nshaka uburyo ngenda mujijisha kugira ngo agire. Reka nshaka utwo ngenda mwereka kugira ngo kuburi kumwe n'umwana biroroshye. Ntabwo biba byoroshye yabikomeye. Yeah. Reka muzengurukane wenda se mushyira. Arvin, do you want to sit here? Yeah? Ukuntu hanze haba hari bize, abantu bose binjira. Everybody bose bari kwinjira. Umusaza agira amahane yaragiye gukubita abantu. So umva buri minota ibiri abantu no kwinjira, buri minota ibiri abantu no kwinjira, buri minota ibiri abantu no kwinjira baza. Arvin, do you wanna get down? You wanna go down? Dore igitebo uyu nguyu yaje kwimananikamo. Nuko rero byarangiye tugiye Dunkin. birangira tugiye naha kugura ikawa. Nakoze cyane guhagarana natwe, ariko reka maze ndabishima no kubabwira gusa ntaberetse. Nkunda utu tuntu, ndukunda kuba nanjye ndi umwana. Nanjye ndi umwana. Umwana arya mama yabanje. Turi kumwe mwakoze. Ciao ciao.
Send me down more there. It's a little bit. It's not back. It's back, but it's like here.
So what do you think you can do?
I want to do all the back. All you need.
I love that size, but the things is for you.
What can do this size? Yeah, but we can do all down. Yeah, by that size. Yeah.
Okay, it's okay. I agree.
Yeah.
My hair is yours.
Yeah, I know.
Do whatever you want.
I know.
But I think today we don't put style. We're gonna make style, or we're gonna put only like that. Do whatever you want. I give you bubble. Twaje gukoresha umusatsi rero, naje gusuka. Uriya ni papara yo inyuma urimo kubona. You can use that one? Okay. Reka tutangire nsukare nawe byo nicyo gusuka nzabereka. Aha, dore nawe yabasuje se. Injiniwe rero. Yeah. This one?
Yeah. Oh, your husband needs it.
My husband like this. He used to say that's good. We can try, but if it's more easy for you.
Yeah, try.
Okay,
Do your best.
So we're gonna do the big one, or
no, the size this size.
so it's gonna take 3 hours.
But this side part. Okay, he's bothering them.
Only all back. It will not take long time.
Remember what we were talking about technology? Yes.
So,
You need it. The husband needs this one.
Listen, if it's hard for you, we can change. I can tell him.
Tell him to do only all back.
Papa Lion, she need to talk to you. Go be that maybe no.
Zigzag?
Yeah, she said it's hard, so we can do
all back. Do only zigzag because you say you don't have time. For do quickly. That one I say only on the back.
The zigzag?
No zigzag, only straight.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we are going to do only straight.
Yeah.
There's no size, nothing. No style.
Yeah.
Okay.
All you need is a little bit. Papa.
It's ready.
He's going to say, as long as you're looking beautiful.
Yeah.
Now we do put myself for my Thank you. Dr. Shizemo Akoko. How is it? He said message.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Ndaberekera rimwe. Umuntu uri muri Rwanda basangira murangira ubuzima Want me to keep make more? Immediately. When you make a braid, you change.
Yeah, the first thing.
Yeah.
The first thing be very young.
When you were old.
No, you young like you. You're very young again.
Yeah.
They first change.
Yeah, that's true. He finished? I think you can get another one for him.
Bless you, buddy. Say bless you, brother. You always say bless you, Mama. Bless you, Papa.
Bless you.
Good job. Bless
Nuko hano twisukisha nuko appointment ubundi ukagenda ukajya kwisukisha ubasanze wabo nawe uzi wawe nta mishipota ubundi ukagaruka ukajya gahora ukajya kongera ugataha ufite mpaka esanse kawe bakagusuka ukagenda mu gihe twebwe iwacu tubahamagara bakadusanga kazi iwacu bahano ugomba kubasanga yishyura byose wabitanze byose ndaza kwerekana wa musoza mu mbwira mubizi byiza cyane ariko hano nta mishipo ni ukugusuka nawe ubafasha ugenda umanika imisatsi ugenda ugira finally irakuza ibintu byose rero byagenze neza nakoze cyane kubana nanjye nuko byari bimeze nakagaruka ubona dorega reka babereke inyuma uko hameze ibintu ni munange ibintu ni munange wakoze cyane bageze ngaha ntibagire gukora kuki ku nzogera kujya buri video yose ugiye bora ngo msemba kana gato ai unchungire hapo unchungire para ninga chungire hapo nakoze cyane rero thank you for watching my video bye bye ciao ciao nuko twasoje bimeze ngo kuko mvuye mu bisa urabona atari byiza pe nahise mpinduka ngari ngukora dukomeje kugenda dukomeza imisozi ibihumbi mwakoze cyane kubana natwe ndabakunda cyane God bless you reka mbereke inzira turimo kugendamo naho ngaho dufite ikintu cyitwa izuba byakije umwana wo mu ndakurahira kujya mu modoka no gushyiramo za hit gukora iki cyose ni za hit kubera ubushyuhe dufite hano uratugagaza bano bagiye mu ki bagiye mu bwato bagiye ku mazi ngayo nguko rero guys ndabakunda amahoro Imana bane namwe mwakoze kuri video kuva itangiye kugeza isoje bye bye.